protect myself. I'm recording again.
Yeah, wait. Let me know when you're ready. All right, go ahead. That was close, man.
I want to feel close to hit it. Dad, you just keep on moving closer.
Hey, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Should we take off the cap?
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Should we take it off the cap?
It didn't do as much as I thought it would. It gave out this huge snake of a one.
We should have
Did it
taken
go-
off the cap.
Yeah, I probably should have. It went the whole way through it.
That's
Let me
why I
see, let me
said, let's take off the cap.
See, it went in there. Out there.
Huge snake of a one.
All right.
Oh, we're going with that.
Dumpster.